Hold on tight. Texas Roadhouse is going global, planting its flagship steakhouse right in the heart of Seoul's Jamsil district on April 28th. Hyundai Green Food is bringing the American experience to South Korea with a massive 505-square-meter restaurant, boasting 200 seats. This isn't just another opening. It's a major expansion for the top steakhouse brand in the U.S., already operating over 800 locations worldwide. But that's not all.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALIN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Seoul's stock market is surging, defying expectations as the KOSPI jumped over 2% late Monday morning, even with uncertainty around U.S.-Iran talks. Investors are laser-focused on upcoming earnings from Korean giants like Samsung and SK Hynix, which saw gains of 2.05% and 6.38% respectively. While hopes for peace talks faded after President Trump's announcement, strong business conditions are driving the market forward. Get ready for a potential record-breaking week. Hyundai Engineering and Construction is dominating the urban redevelopment scene, and they've just added Apgujeong to their impressive the H lineup. After securing massive projects like Banpo and Hanam, Hyundai E&C is proving its expertise in large-scale reconstruction, with a record-breaking 10.51 trillion won in orders last year. They're not just building structures, they're creating future-proof communities with innovative designs and a commitment to resident comfort. This is a game-changer for Seoul's skyline. And finally, a nail-biter on the baseball diamond. Kiwoom Heroes defeated Samsung Lions 2-0 at Gachyeok Sky Dome, thanks to a stellar performance from starter Park Jun-hyun and a clutch hit from Oh Sun-jin. This win snapped Samsung's 7-game losing streak, while Kiwoom avoided a season sweep. Don't miss a moment of the action. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more breaking news and updates. Texas Roadhouse is bringing its signature American steakhouse experience to Seoul. The popular U.S. chain, known as the top steakhouse brand by sales, is set to open its first flagship location in the Jamsil district on April 28th. Operated by Hyundai Green Food since 2020, Texas Roadhouse already has 6 locations across South Korea. But this new store promises to be its largest yet, spanning 505 square meters and accommodating around 200 guests. Founded in Indiana in 1993, Texas Roadhouse now boasts over 800 locations worldwide, including in Mexico and Taiwan. This expansion marks a significant move for the brand as it continues to grow its international presence. Meanwhile, in other business news, Korea Gas is facing a margin squeeze amid persistently high energy prices, and the OECD is projecting a slowdown in South Korea's potential growth to the mid-1% range. Petrochemical companies are also pivoting towards chip materials, and Hotel Shilla saw strong Q1 results, prompting a CEO buyback. DeepMind's CEO is scheduled to meet with President Lee tomorrow, and HJ Shipbuilding has secured a substantial $242 million order for 2 container vessels. Finally, Samsung shareholders are reportedly planning a counter-rally in response to a planned union strike, while Shinhan Financial climbed to the top position in Q1 thanks to record results. Seoul stocks surged sharply higher Monday morning, defying dampened expectations for a U.S.-Iran peace breakthrough. The KOSPI index jumped 2.16% to 6,615.27 as of 11:20 a.m., poised to reach a new record above the 6,600-point mark. This rally is fueled by investor focus shifting to upcoming earnings reports from South Korea's leading conglomerates. Despite a mixed close on Wall Street Friday, influenced by initial optimism regarding U.S.-Iran talks, optimism quickly extinguished by President Trump's cancellation of planned negotiations, the Korean market is demonstrating resilience. Daishin Securities analyst Lee Kyoung-min attributes the KOSPI's gains to improving business conditions and positive earnings forecasts, overcoming previous uncertainties linked to Middle East tensions. Leading the advance were tech giants Samsung Electronics, up 2.05%, and SK Hynix, soaring 6.38%. Hyundai Motor also saw gains, rising 3.12%, alongside Murray Asset Securities and Doosan Enerbility. However, KB Financial experienced a slight dip of 0.57%, and LG Energy Solution fell 3.69%. The won strengthened against the dollar, trading at 1,473.51, a gain of 11.1 from the previous session. Hyundai Engineering and Construction is solidifying its dominance in Seoul's lucrative urban redevelopment market, adding Apgujeong to its prestigious, the H lineup. Marking its 80th anniversary next year, Hyundai E&C has consistently led the industry, ranking number 1 in urban redevelopment order volume for 7 consecutive years since 2019. Last year alone, the company secured a record-breaking 10.5105 trillion won, or $7.6 billion, in orders, the first time any company has surpassed the 10 trillion won mark. This success follows wins on major projects like Apgujeong and Hanam District 3, the latter a staggering 7 trillion won undertaking. Executive Director Shin Koo-hyun attributes this success to a combination of brand strength, innovative design, efficient project management, and strong relationships with reconstruction associations. Hyundai E&C's meticulous approach, managing projects from permitting to construction oversight, has earned them a reputation for stability and predictability, key factors valued by associations. The H brand, launched in 2015, is carefully curated, with a rigorous review committee ensuring only projects meeting specific criteria can bear the name, safeguarding its premium image of delivering a one-perfect experience. Beyond brand recognition, Hyundai E&C is focused on tangible improvements in residential quality. The company's neo-living concept prioritizes flexible space utilization and convenience, exemplified by the adoption of 2.9-meter ceiling heights and premium aluminum window frames at the Apgujeong District 2 project. Noise reduction is also a core focus, with ongoing upgrades to the H Silent Solution package. Looking to the future, Hyundai E&C is partnering with Hyundai Motor Group to integrate robotics, creating autonomous residential communities, prioritizing both safety and convenience. Following successes in Banpo and Hanamdong, these differentiated products and services are slated for major redevelopment sites in Apgujeong and Mokdong, further cementing Hyundai E&C's position as a leader in Seoul's real estate landscape. Kiwoom secured a 2-0 victory over Samsung at Gachyeok Sky Dome in Seoul this afternoon, narrowly avoiding their first season sweep. The win was largely attributed to a strong performance from starting pitcher Park Joon-hyun, who delivered 5 scoreless innings, and a decisive hit from Oh Sun-jin. This loss marks Samsung's 7th consecutive defeat, extending their losing streak. Samsung players were seen departing the field after acknowledging their fans following the game. The victory was reported by MK Sports reporter Kim Young-gu from Gachyeok, Seoul, with updates spanning from April 25 to April 27, 2026.